It's that time of year again, garden tour time, and I hope you've picked up your tickets for our 31st Mark's Choice Through the Garden Gate. We're always very excited about this tour, and it's a major fundraiser for us, and tickets are still available. You can go online or visit us in our shop, and this year we'll be exploring the area of Winfield's Estate. Fabulous, wonderful gardens, private gardens that you often don't get to go in and see. And what I love about these tours is you get to see what homeowners, how they creatively use these spaces. And there's a lot of wonderful treasures to explore. To really make the most of this tour, make sure you're ready for it. Comfortable shoes, if it's a beautiful sunny day like today, a good hat, which we do have available, a selection in our shop. And you also want to make sure you stay hydrated. So what is really neat about this year's tour is that the tour headquarters is here at the Botanical Gardens. We'll have refreshments available, and there will be some vendors, and we'll also have a pop-up shop by the garden shop, and we'll have available our new Toronto Botanical Garden branded water bottles, which when you purchase it, you can actually fill up with flavored water. If it is a bright sunny day today, I also recommend some sunscreen, and we have sourced, our shop buyer has sourced some locally produced sunscreen, which we're very excited to be able to also have available. And if all goes well, we will also have a choice of limited selection of plant material that I've handpicked from the market. So once again, our 31st Mark's Choice Through the Garden Gate tour coming up very, very soon. We'll hope you'll be able to join us for this annual fundraiser.